Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you how you can redeem your YouTube premium code from Discord. So in order to redeem your premium code from Discord, all you have to do is first thing first access your Discord application. So first of all, you'll have to claim the code. In order to claim the code, you need to head over to the Discord page. You can also do this procedure with the help of an application. While you're on this page, click the user settings or the gear icon in the bottom left hand side corner. This is going to direct you to the user settings page. Here, all you have to do is you need to go to gift inventory, and after you tap on gift inventory, it's going to take you to the redemption page that looks something like this. So here, what you'll have to do is, if you've already got the redemption code, all you have to do is just tap the claim button. As soon as you do that, right on top you'll be able to find the redemption code. So in my case, I don't happen to have any gift card or any redemption code, so I'm just gonna show you like this. Now all you have to do is just copy the code. After you're done copying the code, you'll have to open up your application. So for that, type in youtube.com, and once you open up, click the profile icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen. As soon as you click the profile icon, a pop-up menu appears. So from the list, you'll need to go ahead and tap on purchase and membership. After you click on purchase and membership, here you'll need to go to premium, and underneath click on learn more. So basically you'll have to provide in the confirmation code or the redemption code, and then once you're done, you'll have to submit it, and as soon as you do that, you've successfully redeemed your gift card. So in this way you can redeem YouTube premium code from Discord, and also the steps may vary or may have changes. So all you have to do is just follow the prompt, and that's basically how you can redeem your code. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.